Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is the Wednesday edition and it is a knit crate unboxing. This is August's knit crate and I get two boxes. One I pay for, one they send me to review, and I really like it this month. And I got both boxes. I have the same thing in them. So let's take a look at what I got. The yarn this month is Audine Wool's Mellow, and it is 80% Huyakea alpaca and 20% tencel. It is a bulky weight. There's 125 yards in each skein, and it's a 100-gram skein. Look at this gorgeousness. It is a beautiful tonal kind of denim color. See if I can get it to, there you can see it really, really well. It is a tonal denim color. And I have 4 skeins of it because, like I said, both boxes had the same color. So I am really excited. It might be showing up kind of grayish color in the light, but it is not. It is a denim blue. It is super, super soft. This one with this lighting is showing up really, really well. That's probably a little bit closer to the color. So yes, this is extremely soft. I really like it. Like I said, it is a bulky weight, which is a number 5, I believe, or number 6. The recommended gauge for this is a US, for knitting needles, is a US 9 to 11, which is a 6.5 up to a 9 millimeter. And with crochet hooks, they are recommending a US K or a 13, which is a 10.5 millimeter crochet hook. So they also included this little gadget. And you may be going, well, what is it? That's what it looks like on that side. And what this is, it is a bookmark. So here's a piece of paper and you just put the little piece of paper here, and it's magnetic on the inside and it holds your place. And then you can just lift it up and change pages. So it would work good for holding your place with a pattern. It also, if you're just reading or whatever, it's a nice little book clip. So yeah, there was one of each of these. They were identical, so I'm just showing one. So that was a little goodie that came in it. So now let's take a look at the patterns. And I actually like 3 of the 4 patterns that are in here this month. So let's get started with the one that I'm the least impressed with, and that is the crochet pattern. It's called the High-Low Leg Warmers by Janine Mudge. Now the reason I say it would be the least likely for me to make, just because I'd be afraid they'd fall down my legs and I'd step all over them. Yeah, I just not into leg warmers. So yeah, so that was probably my least favorite. Now the knitting pattern that I liked is a really pretty cowl. It is called Confluence. It is by Katrina Walser. Same name as me. Well, the last name's different, but the first name, Katrina, is the same. That's not why I like the pattern. Just knowing how soft this is, that would feel, something around the neck with this would feel really good. So that is, once again, Confluence by Katrina Walser. Now the sock patterns, I actually like both of them this month. For the crochet, we have the Golden Glow House Socks by Melanie Depsinski. And I thought they were really, really cute. And then the knitted socks are called Haycorn by Ruth Brush. So I liked both of those patterns too. So this month was a win-win. Like I said, I love the yarn, and I look forward to doing something with this. Like I said, it's very, very soft. So yeah, I do look forward to doing something with this, and it's definitely going to be something around my face or my neck or something, because it is just so extremely soft and perfect. So yeah, I really like it. And it's, when you look at it, it has different shades of denim within the overall denim color. So there you can really get an idea of the different denim shades that are in it. So if you would like to give Knit Crate a try, there is a link down below. You can get your first box half off. And then if you decide to cancel, just make sure you do it by the 1st of the month, because that's when you automatically get billed for it otherwise. But the regular price for the yarn is $29.99 plus shipping, and the shipping is $7.90 something or other, almost $8. So all total, it's almost a $38 crate by the time you pay for the yarn and the shipping. So for that price, you get 2 skeins of yarn, sometimes a little goodie, and 4 patterns. So it's up to you to weigh the difference, whether it's worth it to you or not. It is luxury yarn, so it's not something you can buy at a big box store. So if you want to give it a try, there's a link down below, and you can get your first box for 50% off. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you again on Saturday. Bye, everybody.